Hello again! You may already know the basics of constructing a two-point perspective. Now, let me show you how to construct a more complex example for a two-point perspective drawing. Here are the needed drawing instruments: a foot rule, triangle, 3H pencil, and HB pencil, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use markers for better illustration. In order to construct a perspective drawing, the following elements are needed: the front view, that serves as a height reference in constructing the object, which is rested on the ground line; the top view or the plan of the object, which is positioned at 30 by 60 degrees angle on the picture plane; the horizon line. The station point is located in line with the point of the plan that touches the picture plane. Now, as you may notice, the vanishing point is not yet established. However, as a principle in perspective drawing, the vanishing point will always be positioned on the horizon line in which all receding lines converge. So the first thing to do is to identify its location, and this is how to do it. From the station point, project 30 degrees to the left towards the picture plane. Then, project a line vertically from the point of intersection towards the horizon line. Next, do the same towards the right. However, use 60 degrees angle for projection from the station point towards the picture plane. Then, project it vertically towards the horizon line. Now you have established the vanishing points. Next, draw the center axis of the object from the point of the plan that touches the picture plane towards the area of construction. Then, draw the width axis and depth axis from the point of the center axis that touches the ground line towards the respective vanishing points. Reminder, you don't need to draw the entire line towards the vanishing point. Drawing it within the area of construction will be enough. At this point, you are now ready to construct the perspective view of the object. Considering the complexity of this object, it is better to construct it section by section or part by part. This way, drawing it will be much easier since your focus will be on each section and not on the entire object. So to start, consider starting at the section of the plan that touches the picture plane. Now, starting with this edge, project it towards the station point and mark their point of intersection on the picture plane, and project it towards the area of construction. There. Now the width of this section is established. Next, identify the same section of the object on the front view. Then, supply the height details of the section by projecting a construction line towards the center axis. Then, from those points of intersection on the center axis, project them towards their respective vanishing points. Now, since the height of this section and as well as the width is established, proceed towards establishing the depth of the object using the plan as the reference for it. Identify the edge of the plan that determines the total depth and project it towards the station point. And from the point of intersection between them on the picture plane, project it towards the area of construction or the targeted line. Then, project those intersected lines towards the vanishing point. Now, the section seems to be complete. However, based from the details of the front view and as well as on the plan, this line provides the information of a different surface. Remember, like I always say, that every line is an edge, and for that, it is of different surface. So, proceed on integrating these details on this section of the object by constructing the necessary lines. There. Now since that all of the construction lines for this section is complete, it's time for you to draw the needed object lines for completion of the construction of this section using your HB pencil. By doing this, it will help you keep track of the progress of your drawing and will help you avoid confusion among the construction lines as you progress. There. Now this section is complete. To proceed, select again the next section from the plan. This time, work on this section and the same process of construction will be applied. Start with the closest edge or corner with the section that was already completed and proceed on constructing the rest of the edges of the section until it's done. In the same manner, once all the construction lines are completed, draw the needed object lines. When done, proceed to the next section and do the same process all over again, and proceed to the next section until the whole object is completed. I hope that at this point, you already get the hang of it. If you like the video, please subscribe